welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful summer day here. I already filmed a video today and I uploaded it, and it's gonna be the last one, okay? And I showed how empty it is around 10 o'clock in the morning here. Now, let's walk around, let me check the number. It's 6 hours later, guys. And let's see how packed it is on the beach. And it is summertime, high season, and it's very hot. Especially in the daytime, you won't see a lot of people on the beach because it's just too hot. But on the evening, we will find out now. We're here in the Antung area, a very popular tourist area. They also call it tourist town, and I'm gonna show you the sign right in a minute. And then we're gonna go and check out the beach, how full it is. Oh wow, look at this. That's crazy. So a very interesting thing is here, when you are going after sunset or at sunset time to the beach, you see a lot of motorbikes. And I kind of think maybe it's legal after a specific time. I mean, usually it's not. So on the daytime, if you park here illegally, they usually take away your motorbike and you can get it on the police station again. But yeah, we're gonna start here. Just like the morning walk, you can see now also how many cars and motorbikes are here on the street. People are panicking. You gotta watch out. And you can make it. I see a lot of motorbikes here now. A lot of locals also coming now to the beach. They're all parked here. Check this out, guys. Now the beach looks a little bit different. But to be honest, still not packed. It is definitely way more people, but not packed. Not that bad. It absolutely looks phenomenal. I try to get the whole vibe in, but yeah, the colors look so beautiful. This is my favorite time of the day now. To be honest, I like it also in the noontime when it's super hot and the sun is out. But this color game here, I can see the Sonsha Peninsula very clear. There's no smog, there's no air pollution or something like that. It's good air, it's hot, humid, just perfect. That's why a lot of people are out here now. You see a lot of ladies doing some TikTok dances everywhere here. You have the first beach club here. The other one is not open yet, we checked it out. Oh wow, there's an event going on today. Huh, interesting. What is going on over there? I have no idea. But we're gonna walk the normal routes to the north because we want to compare exactly how full it is in the evening and how empty it is on the daytime. On the daytime, we already checked it out. We filmed it today, and if you go to the last video I uploaded, just the one before this one, you will see it. You will see how empty it is compared to now. To be honest, it's not really full, to be honest. This is how it looks right now. Very beautiful. The water is pretty full. I think we also walked into this direction. But yeah, it's just nice. Just like exactly this type of this view is just the perfect thing, because you have the Soncha Peninsula and the sun goes down over there, and then you have this nice little colorway. I don't know. Fantastic. You can also have a beautiful sunset if you are around that area of the Golden Bay Hotel. It's also very nice. Or you're going to the other beach, Tantai. David, if you're watching this, what is your beach name again? Where David has his house. I think there you have also a beautiful sunset. And we're walking the same route as we did before. Right through My Khe Beach again. I hope I'm not gonna get striked here. But yeah, now it's way more busy here, guys. It's busier. But to be honest, it was also busy in the morning. But yeah, looks very nice here. I did hear a complaint today about the M Hotel. So somehow the construction sites starts very early. If you're very low on this floor to this side, you might have an issue if you're light sleeping. So the two construction sites right next to Rosamir and Haiyan, it's a little bit problematic, guys. But yeah, this is not problematic, and it's a beautiful view here. Fantastic. I would wanna, even the area, there is no restriction at the moment. I cannot see any restriction on where you can go in the water or not. Yellow is here. People are in the water everywhere, and every few hundred meters there is a lifeguard inside the water as well. So this is now not that common, guys, that you can just swim everywhere there, because it's also very, very calm, the sea. Sea is very calm, so I don't think it's any danger at the moment. So they probably opened more, or they have more staff now in the summer season. It is high season, it is summer season, it is vacation season, and it is International Fireworks Festival season. So that for the next 6 weeks there's going to be International Fireworks Festival every Saturday. So every Saturday it's going to be very, very packed and crowded in the city as well as here. The Ban Bao guy is doing his rounds. I'm wondering if someone is watching these videos to sleep, just like my brother from Germany. He said, yeah, I'm using your videos to sleep. Okay, bro. Maybe I should talk a little bit more quiet then. I know, like, there is ASMR if you do the normal walking tours with only, what I often did now, like, not often, like 4 times on this channel. But let me know in the comments, maybe you want to have this every month. I had good responses, and responses that they want to hear my voice, but yeah. I think I will do both. I will do at least one video, 1 hour, every 2 weeks or so, to give you the best ASMR experience here in Da Nang. The real sounds, and not only my voice. So today in the morning we walked here as well, and the beach area after the Paradise Beach Bar was completely empty. Now we're gonna check out how it looks right now. Paradise Beach Bar is always packed, but also when they have the happy hour, a lot of people are here. It's like the place to be for the happy hour. But now you can directly compare. Here it's still a little bit some space, but over there we see how busy it is. So this is a clear indicator now. But it's, to be honest, still not that packed. I saw it more busy, to be honest. Maybe it's a little bit later, but I don't know. It's not that hot anymore, the sun is gone, so no reason not to be here at the moment. I can imagine it would be probably very nice to be in the water right now. After a nice little sweat on the volleyball court, then going to the water. Usually there are more nets. I don't know where they are. We have 4 nets right now. But I think there could be more. Or maybe there is none. Maybe people bring them also. Look at this little dog. Oh. That's the funniest dog I've ever seen in my life. My God. I hope you saw it. I hope you just saw that. That's so funny. I love it. But yeah, this is the look right now. It almost looks like a heart or a butt. But yeah, this is very beautiful here. Another very popular spot is right in front of us, where you can also park. Wherever you can park your motorbike, this is also where it usually is the fullest. So if you want to have an empty beach part, you should always go for a little walk on the beach, and then you will have it empty. Hi, how are you? Ach, aus Deutschland, ah cool. Ich glaube, ich habe heute bestimmt schon 20 Leute heute hier auf der Straße gesehen. Verrückt. Ach, okay. So viele Familien, ja, das stimmt, ja. My God. So many South Germans here, South Germans. Because in Bavaria, there's a holiday at the moment. So a lot of families having time off, and they're taking their kids with them. So funny. Now I understand. I think in the last 2 hours, I met 25, maybe 30 German subscribers and members from our German channel here on this area here. Crazy. So guys, my dear Aussies and Americans, you're not the most anymore here. I will not stop until there's German language here on the menus as well. Just like the Koreans, Russians, Chinese. And then we have German as well. Well, I think there are a lot of German Vietnamese also. Lots of them. So a lot of German Vietnamese watching us as well. Same as Vietnamese Americans. I have few Vietnamese Australians. Vu is one of them. Vu, if you watch this, comment please. And yeah, few. But I don't think I've ever met no, I did actually. Tom. Tom is also Vietnamese Canadian. Actually, I saw all kinds of Vietnamese with other nationalities together here already. So comment below now, where are you from and where are you watching it from at the moment? Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have not, check out my new video on social semi and see you in the next walk.